how to change the maximum number connection on your Wi-Fi hotspot in Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to network and internet. In network and internet, go to hotspot and tethering. In hotspot tethering, go to Wi-Fi hotspot. And now here, you can see the maximum number of connection here. Allow 10 devices to access hotspot at most currently. The hotspot will be turned on again when the number is changed. So you can tap this and select or set the maximum number of connection. For my example, I set into 2 only. And now the maximum number of connections is allowed the 2 devices only. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the maximum number of connections on your Wi-Fi hotspot and Vivo Y02t mobile phone.